Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Today we're going to learn another major chord, which is the D major. And this is your D major. How you do it is you put your first finger on 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger goes on 2nd fret, 1st string, and 3rd finger, this one over here, goes on 2nd string, 3rd fret. And you play the first 4 strings. You can also play the 5th string. So this is it, my friends. What I'm going to tell you is always I'm going to remind you this. Now, you see the fingers where you have calluses. You see this? This is where your fingertips have to go. Remember, your fingers have to be like little hammers when they place the string. For example, if my finger is, let's say here, if my finger is the string, the tip of the finger of the fretboard of your left hand is supposed to touch it just like this, not like this. Never do that. So never do this, but always use this. Remember, your thumb should be in the middle of the fretboard, because this way, if you notice, you have a lot of space here, and that's key to have clear chords. And also another thing is, don't let your first finger touch the strings adjacent to the string that you're pressing the note. For example, if I do it the wrong way, if I'm touching the strings adjacent to my notes, you see that? Never want to do that. Never do that. Always use your fingertips, and that's the sound you're gonna get. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.